Hello, our lovely learners. Welcome back to the channel. This is Untitled Chapter on Apple's Multimedia. In today's video lesson, I bring you 11 randomly selected words in English and their names in Fancy, plus a sentence each. Please stay with me as we start this lesson.
Here on this channel. If this is your first time here, please subscribe.
The name is Mr. Piamensa. We are starting the lesson. A position, debut. A sentence with this word. The man has a high position in the company. Benyin no wo debut kesibi wo edwumakuo no mu. Benyin no wo debut kesibi wo edwumakuo no mu. A treasure. Akrade. A sentence with a treasure. There are many treasures in the building. Akrade bebree gudanumu. Akrade bebree gudanumu. Anchor. Siche. A sentence with anchor. Bring the anchor here. Fasiche no braha. Fasiche no braha. Branch. Nkorbata. A sentence with branch. The bank has opened a new branch here. Sikakrabia no ebwe nkorbata fuforo oha. Sikakrabia no ebwe nkorbata fuforo oha. Clearly. Kofi. A sentence with clearly or clear. Their explanation was clear to us. Hena femude, hon inchechimunu mudaho kofe. Hena femude, hon inchechimunu mudaho kofe. Conflict, chemamonche. A sentence with conflict. There is a conflict between the chiefs. Chemamonche da ahimfono hon intemu. Chemamonche da ahimfono hon intemu. Hope, enyidado. A sentence with hope. I have hope we will be paid. Mu enyidado de, ubutua hen kaw. Soldier, srodanyi. A sentence with soldier. The soldier is strong. Srodanyi no ho yedzin. Scholar, obimfo. A sentence with scholar. A scholar wrote this book. Obimfo bi na ochrew book yi. Threats, ehunehuna. A sentence with threats. The threats keep coming every day. Ehunehuna no kodo badaba. Vision. Enyudadzihu. I have a vision for the future. Mowo enyudadzihu madachi. Alright, so this is where we bring today's video lesson to an end. I believe very well you have been educated. You have learned a lot here. Please help us by subscribing to the channel and sharing the video. We'd also love to read your thoughtful comments as we react to them. The name is Mr. Piamensa. See you again on another lovely video lesson here on Apple's Multimedia's Untitled Chapter. Until we meet again, I'll say bye-bye.
Best way there, subscribe. Not share my phone.
Ms. Rama, subscribe to Uphold Your FANTE Lesson.
Have you subscribed yet? If not, don't be left behind. Uphold FANTE Lesson. Why there?